Nice one, Russell. Yeah, it's always reassuring, right? Right. Well, hopefully everybody had a real nice weekend. As you can see, our open active positions are down to almost nothing. We've got 3 only. It's a good thing. That's a really good thing. Means we have a lot of dry powder ready for earnings, which really are coming in earnest this week and next week. So we will be evaluating lots and lots of potential setups. I expect it to be, pretty active. In addition to what's going on with earnings, there's also a lot of activity across all markets with central banks. Obviously, we have our Fed decision coming next week, but this week we expect some measures coming out of the ECB as well, which probably will affect all the markets.